quantification, normalization, pooling. One machine can do all, making it possible to automate every step. The answer is PANDA Mini, your one-step instrument for automated sample preparation. Getting started is effortless with a touch-based, user-friendly interface. Just touch and tap. The system handles the workflow automatically. Equipped with a fixed 8-channel pipetter and 2 flexible pipetters, it seamlessly handles any batch size, from 1 to 96 samples, in one fast run. Powered by a built-in Vzyme quantimeter, PANDA Mini quantifies up to 96 samples in just 35 seconds, all at once. It then automates processes to normalization, completing the entire workflow in 35 minutes. That's how hands-off automation enables an efficient workflow and consistent performance, achieving CVs below 10%. At Vzyme, we do more, delivering complete solutions with instruments, reagents, and consumables. As part of this solution, PANDA Mini powers key workflow steps by enabling precise quantification, which drives both library normalization for library preparation and automated pooling for hybridization or sequencing. Backed by 24/7 support and a 1-year warranty, it seamlessly integrates with Vzyme's automation ecosystem to boost lab efficiency. A smarter lab lets you pursue discoveries that really matter. This is Vzyme PANDA Mini, a liquid handling workstation that brings easy sample preparation within reach. Get on board now and work your magic with our PANDA Mini liquid handling workstation.